You were talking today about some amazing financial tips and tricks on how to, I guess, proclaim wealth. And I want to know, if I was someone that was interested in what you were talking about, what is one word of advice, or what is something of advice you would tell me or give to me?
Be a business owner. Don't lend your money to someone. Own the business. Own the business for the cash flow. The one thing I will say is, if you're interested in pursuing a career, think about reoccurring cash flow. What business will give you monthly income even when you're lying on the beach? So the example I used was a doctor has to bill OHIP to get paid every month. Otherwise, the doctor doesn't get paid. Whereas the guy from Spotify gets paid $10 a month times millions of people, and he still gets that $10 a month when he's lying on the beach. Reoccurring cash flow.
You heard it here first. This is the only place you'll get that knowledge.